Hi everybody, this is PawPaw Ray and Baby and Honey Bear, and today we're going to show you how we make chicken biscuits, which can also be treats for our chickens, or you can make them for the birds for winter time. So here's our intro. We've gathered a bowl of chicken feed. You can also use old flour. And over here we have some of the chicken's scratch greens, which includes corn and some oats and some other things that they like to eat. We also have an old container of, what's this?
I don't know.
It's oatmeal.
Yeah, it's oatmeal.
Go ahead and show them what we've got over there.
We have, cereal.
It's some old cereal. And what's the other bag? Some more old cereal.
Some more cereal.
And what's in those big bags?
Some crackers.
Saltine crackers from restaurants.
And some fortune cookies.
Fortune cookies that we picked up. And all these things we haven't been eating, so we save them up. They get a little stale, but we're going to crunch them up and mix them up.
And we give them to the chickens.
Give them to us. We're going to get some of the feed and put in our big bowl that we're going to mix stuff in.
And
we're kind of doing this just by eye.
some of mine too.
And we're going to use some of yours too. There you go. Get that corn in there. And keep in mind, if you cut up fruit like apples or bananas and put it in there, if you cut up small raisins and stuff like that, they'll eat those.
Wow, yummy oatmeal. Is that chicken feed?
Now here we've got the
Crackers.
and here we have the
Fortune cookies.
and both of you get a spoon. Go ahead, and they're in the bag, so let's mash them up. Hit them with the spoon. Yeah, I think yours is good. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in.
Yeah. Put it in.
Here we go. Boop, boop, boop. Okay.
Is this good?
Sure. That's fine. Go ahead and put yours in. Want some help? Okay.
Yummy.
Here, both of you take a bag of the cereal and put in. That's good.
Where's mine?
Right here. Put this one in there. Just dump it in.
Okay.
And we're going to put this stuff in here.
Wow, egg. Egg put in there.
Yep.
Are you gonna add water to it?
We're going to put a little water in there because we want this to be like a paste. And what we're going to do is
on the table.
Yep.
Water on the table.
Yeah, Papa makes a mess, huh?
What?
We'll keep putting oil or eggs or a little bit of water or some honey or some other liquids in here until we get this to be a pasty, like a battery kind of substance, like a cake batter.
Look at that.
Okay.
I'm hugging you.
All right, after we've added various amounts of water and oil and some eggs, you can see this stuff is ready to be pat down like a bar cookie or a cake into our cake pan. And our cake pan is already greased.
I'm gonna eat macaroni. I'm gonna eat macaroni too.
You guys went from making crackers for birds to talking about eating
Macaroni.
lunch. Eating macaroni.
And I love macaroni.
Do you? Macaroni.
I love macaroni too.
You do?
Yeah, my mom's house.
At your mom's house?
Yeah.
So you're going to press this down in there really good.
Can I press it too?
Sure. Go ahead and use your spatulas. Try not to get your fingers in there. Go ahead. You can use your fingers. I just don't want to hose everybody off afterwards. Okay. Here, let me have your stirrers. All right, now we can just put it in the oven like this, and we put it at 250 or 300 because we're really just trying to dry it out more than we are to bake it or heat it up.
That's so big.
Now, something that makes it easier though is if at this stage you cut some separations into it, because sometimes these things are almost like real bricks to get apart. So it's easier if you make and cut them into squares or rectangles, whatever, as big or small as you want right now, so that when it goes and comes out of the oven,
Rectangles.
they're easier to come apart. Whatever you want.
Rectangles.
Well, there's already rectangles in there. How many rectangles are there? You tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Is she right? Yes. Very
Because
good.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
That's right. So you guys can help each other. All right. So now we're going to put it in the oven at 250 and see how long it takes.